This is an introduction to how to set categories in PowerTeacher Pro. First, go to PowerTeacher, then you're going to click on Gradebook, then you're going to click on PowerTeacher Pro. Once it is loaded, you're going to click into one of your class periods, go to Settings, Traditional Grade Calculations, and you will see that it opens up this screen. You should have an error that it has not been configured. So you're going to start with year 1. Go to the pencil for the action. You're going to go to term weighting. The weight is going to be 50%. Then you need to go to the plus symbol to add another term. Again, term weighting. This is going to be semester 2. Again, 50%. And then you click Save. So year 1 is now done. Then we have semester 1. Again, go to the pencil. You're going to go to term weighting because you want it to be quarter 1 will be 50%. Again, the plus. Term weighting for quarter 2, 50%. Press Save. You will now see that semester 1 is done. So then we go to quarter 1. Again, we're doing the same thing, except the quarters are by category weights. And we need 3 categories, 1 for classwork, 1 for tests and quizzes, and 1 for homework. Classwork will be 40%. Tests and quizzes will be 40%. And homework will be 20%. Once that is done, you press Save. Now you have year 1 done, semester 1 done, and quarter 1 done. Now we're going to use the copy feature in order to get the rest of our quarters, semesters, and classes set up. So to use the copy feature, you go to the gear, press Copy Traditional Grade Calculations. We're going to copy within a class first. Our class is period 2. We've done semester 1. We want to copy that to semester 2. You're going to validate. This is all correct. You're going to press copy. You're going to repeat this, copy traditional grade calculations within a class. Again, class 2. Reporting term, we want to go to quarter 1 because we have to copy it to the rest of our quarters. So quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, because you will see these just say default, so they're not set up yet. Validate. Again, this is correct. Press copy. This is all done. Then one last thing is we're going to copy period 2 to our other classes. Again, go here, copy traditional grade calculations. You're going to copy to another class. You want this whole year. My period 2 was done. I want to copy it the whole year to period 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to validate, and I'm going to copy. The way that you check if you did this correctly is you will see that all of these do not have an error anymore. So that means you have done it correctly, and you are ready to start to add assignments. Thank you.